Hey, Noe. What did you find there? Is it a ball? Is it wonderful? Wow. You want in on it? Say hello. Can you say hi to Gamma Turkey? Turkey, yeah. Can you say hi? Oh. A ball, that's right. What do you say? Mwah. Hey, Noah. Noah. Did you find some food? Mmm. Does that taste good? You're talkative. What can you say?
Okay.
Yeah, say turkey. Yeah, that's for turkey. Can you say gam? Gam, that's right. And turkey. Yeah, they're not, you can't see them here, but I'll get their video up in a minute. She said bye-bye. Mmm, good food. Hey, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Sissy, can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? She's grumpy. And Carl's busy. Say love you.